Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a nighttime Halloween and fall decor tour of my home. I hope that you all enjoy what I have put together for this fall season and Halloween. I'm super sad Halloween is almost here because that means I have to take down my decor, but here's a preview of it. I hope you all enjoy this video and we are going to get right into it. My porch, I just wanted to show you that I had put some pumpkins out, and then I did like straw bales and I put spider webs on them. And then over here we have this gather sign. It is freezing on here, and it's kind of spooky, so I'm about to go back in. But yeah, gather sign is from Home Goods, and yeah, I just really love how my porch came out. And then we have the home sweet haunted home, so really cute. I have not seen my living room yet, so this is pretty much like it for fall. Say hi, Nazir. So when you walk in, the first thing you see is the entertainment system. I really love this area. I feel like it's the focal point of the room. I absolutely love it. I really feel like it's ties in fall really well, but without doing like traditional colors. So I definitely thought outside the box as far as what I could do for fall without doing, you know, like the traditional reds and oranges and all that stuff. So as you can see, I went with like deep purples, mauves, burgundies. I think it's really pretty, and it ties in with like the browns and the neutrals that are in here. So I really love that. We have these bouquets of flowers in the galvanized containers. Both of those are from Michael's, the bouquets and the galvanized containers. And I think I just bought like 6 bundles of the flowers, so probably like 12. And it filled it out pretty well, so I really love that. The lanterns here are also from Michael's. Can't remember how much they cost, but they were on sale I think when I got them. And then the pumpkins down here on the ground are from Michael's as well, so I really love that. I did change this around a little bit, so if you remember this piece from my kitchen tour, this was in the kitchen. I put it in here just because there was other galvanized things, so I really like that. These containers I got from Target, and I thought those were really cute, so those are year round. I won't change those out. And then currently I have these pumpkins over here, and then my fall candle holder from Bath and Body, and the candle currently in here is one of my faves, Cranberry Woods. Absolutely love that candle. I would definitely take it out of here if I was gonna burn it. I haven't burned it this season, but yeah, that's my entertainment system area, and I really love it, so yay. Over here we have this gallery wall that I have done. I really think it's going to be a great eyepiece once this whole wall is done. I would like to put in like an electric fireplace like in this area. So that's the idea, maybe a mantle. But as of right now, we just have these different pictures with different sayings. Most of these are from Hobby Lobby or at home. And then this one over here, which is from the Great Gatsby, is from what's the bookstore? Books A Million. So I really love that. I'm a very positive person, so I really just thought this wall embodied who I am as a person and how I feel about things. So I really loved that. This year for the couch, I did something extremely simple. So I tried to stay with the color scheme, and the cat, don't mind him. So like I said, I tried to tie in these deep colors. So this year we went with like a plummish color, and then this really pretty, it's not red, I don't really know what to call it, but it's not burgundy and it's not red, but it's like a something. You give it a name. Leave in the comment, what is this color, because I don't know. But yeah, that's what I did, and I just thought it went really well with, like I said, the little entertainment system area over there. I was over here kind of like sitting, so you can tell it's kind of whatever. But yeah, I just really love it. Like I said, very simple. I didn't do a lot of pillows on the couch this year like I did last year. So just very simple. And shout out to my couch, which is brown. Also leave in the comments what color is my couch, because everybody's saying it's olive, and it's not olive, it's cocoa from Rooms to Go. It's brown. But anywho, so yeah, shout out to my couch because I had my housewarming last week, and this was a big help because my house is not that big, and there was quite a few people here, and it provided a lot of seating. So yay for my couch. So yes, very simple with the pillows this year, but like I said, it ties in the colors really well. And then over here, it is actually a little more traditional. So we just have this sign that says leaves are falling, autumn is calling, and a little pumpkin down here. I don't think there's batteries in here, but it does light up. And it has like little fairy lights on it or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much my living room space. Really, really love it. I didn't want to do Halloween throughout the house, so I did certain rooms, and the kitchen happened to be one of those. I think it worked out very well because the kitchen was already black and white. So this is my current tablescape. I absolutely love it. It's probably my favorite part of the house as far as decor is concerned. I just love it. Yay! So yeah, let's talk about the table. So here is a bouquet. Those flowers are from Michael's. I pretty much get all my flowers from Michael's. These are for a wreath, but I stuck them in the bouquet, so I really, really love those. And then that container is the same one from my kitchen tour. It's from At Home. The pumpkins I found at TJ Maxx, as well as the candle holder, so I really, really love that. I wasn't feeling the clear at first, but I absolutely love it now, and then it's very versatile, so I can use it anytime during the year, so I really, really love that. The plates, as you can see, I tried to make bats. I just thought that was super cute. But yeah, it's supposed to be like bats. And then same plate, Ray done. And then this time I did the silver chargers. And on the bottom, I did a spider web placemat. So I thought that was super, super cute. These cups are from, I swear I get all my cups from Target. These are out of the hotspot. So they have like bats in them. And then two of them have jack-o'-lanterns. So I got those from Target. They were only like $1 a piece. So boom, great cups for $4 total. The table runner is from TJ Maxx. It was like $7.99. So I thought that was a steal. Absolutely love it. I don't know where the bat is over there, but yeah, so I just really, really love that. I don't remember where the candles are from, but I really, really love those. If you can see, they have spider webs on them, so I thought that went really, really well. And I was a little nervous about all the black, but it really worked out extremely well. So I just absolutely love the table. Over here, I just added a little ghost, so he kind of just sits here. And then that's my aunt's. I just haven't given it to her yet, so I just put that there. So yeah, that's pretty simple. When you come over here, you have the island, and I did dress the island up. It wasn't like this the whole month of October. I literally just put this on last week for the housewarming, and after I was just like, I actually kind of like this, so I left it. So this little tablecloth, it's like so thin, y'all, but it's cute. It's from Walmart. It was like $4 or something like that. The Eat, Drink, and Be Spooky is from Target out of the little hot spot. I always put like one little flower here, so of course going with Halloween I put a little black flower there, like a dead flower. This I absolutely love. I just got this like last week. I found this at Cracker Barrel. So cute. It's a grave and a skeleton, and it actually has a little thing it sits on. I'll grab the little thing and show you what that looks like. So yeah, that was pretty much the island. I also added a towel over here. Once again, I don't really use these towels. They're more for decor purposes, but I just thought that was really cute. Also from Target in the hot spot. This towel as well, Tell Me Something Spooky. It came as a set, so both of those came together. And I just put one on the stove and one over here. On the counter, I didn't do too much. I just added these pumpkins, so bippity boppity boo. I think that one is from At Home. These two, I want to say they're from Target, but I can't remember for sure. I added that one little dead flower over here. I changed out the flowers in this because this is something seasonal as well that I change out. So I just added the black flowers here, but they have the purple on them because they had purple, green, and orange at Michael's. So I just added the purple over here. And then I did switch out the soap. And in the kitchen, I'm currently using Smells Divine, and it really does smell divine. I absolutely love it. So yeah, that's one of my faves for this particular holiday. I love that. I think I can give you a little haul of like dishes I bought. So I found this at Home. No, at Home Goods. I use this for my housewarming. So now this is just going to have to be like an annual thing that I do because I have dishes that go with this. I found this at oops. I found this one at home. It says Bon Appetit. I thought that was super cute. And I can't remember what we put on this, but yeah, that worked really well. And then this one here is just from Walmart, and it's just black. And I think we use that for like the salsa. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick little haul of dishes that I used. Over here, I didn't do too much to the bookshelf. I added this little cat, since you all know I have a cat, so I added this cat, and then just a trick-or-treat sign here to go with the black and white, and then I added these little black pumpkins. They came in that set of pumpkins that you saw in there with the white ones, and those are from Target. I don't remember if I said that. So that was all for the kitchen and dining room. Nothing special in the bedrooms because I'm getting ready to do a couple of things in my bedroom, and then this room here is really like storage right now, so there's nothing going on over here. So since I had to block it off for the housewarming, I just put like this drape and it goes into my room. And yes, I don't have a doorknob right now because I'm changing the doorknobs out, and my doors aren't standard, so I haven't been able to find the correct doorknob, and it has been off the door all summer. So yeah, ignore the doorknob. But yeah, I just put this drape over, made it spooky, and that's what it's been like all since last week for the house. It's loud in here because the exhaust and the light are on one switch. I absolutely hate it, but I haven't had somebody to come out yet and fix it. But yeah, this is my bathroom. This is probably the second, if not first, favorite room in the house. I did Halloween in here as well since it's small. And yeah, I haven't really given you a bathroom tour, but this is my bathroom. On the countertop, I just changed out the flowers. So once again, I went with that deep purple color. Absolutely love it. I threw like some black, I took the, as you can see, like I took the leaves off and I stuck the leaves in there so you couldn't really like see the stems. It's kind of fallen, but that's the point. But yeah, I love the flowers. The candle in here is Ghoul Friend, and it smells like gum. I love it. I burned it at the housewarming and it just smelled amazing. This little pumpkin here I got from Bath and Body, of course. It was sitting on here because I had another little one of these, but like a smaller one here. Cat broke it, however, after I had to give him a bath. So, and it had like little decorative balls and these spiders in there. But now that it's broke, I just put the pumpkin here to like fill that space. Still works really well. So super cute. The soap holder is from Bath and Body, and of course the soap in here is Ghoul's Friend. Smells really good. I added like a little spider over here, and yes, it has definitely gotten me and some other people, so that's kind of funny. And then just to kind of show you the rest of the bathroom, I found this at home. I really didn't want like regular, I guess, I don't know what to call them, you know, things on the sink, so I tried to find something that could hold everything, and that worked perfectly. I do the paper towels, and I'm still looking for something to sit these in because the thing I ordered from Amazon, they did not fit. I have these monogram towels in here, so I have a little hand towel, of course, for decor purposes, so that's why those are there. I found this. I didn't know these came in black. I'm glad they do because it goes well with the bathroom right now. And I can't remember what this scent is, but it's something spicy right now. I'm pretty sure it's a Christmas scent, a winter scent, but it works because like I said, we're about to start switching anyways. And then over here as well, another monogram towel. And yeah, that's the bathroom. Really love how that came out. Super easy, super cute. So last room in the tour that is like fallish is the guest bedroom. I literally threw this together like 2 days before the housewarming, and that's because I ordered a new mattress. So this is a queen, and this is actually going to be for my bedroom, but I'm still waiting for my bed frame. And then once I get my bed frame, I'll put my bed, the mattress at least, in here. So yeah, this is it. So a lot of this has been recycled from the apartment. All of this over here was in my corner of Serenity. So it's just like very like, I don't know, boho-ish kind of sort of thing, but yeah, like gold and very like, so the bedding is from Target, and I was trying to go with that same like color that we don't know the name of. To me, this is definitely more burgundy than what's on that pillow in there, but I really love it. It came with the bedspread, the decorative pillow, and the sham, so thought that was super cute. This gold pillow is from At Home. That was in my bedroom in my apartment, but I got new bedroom pillows, so I just had that left over. Then I'm doing like a mauve color in here. So the pillowcases are mauve, so I really like that, and I just think this all went together really cute. This was on my dining room table when it was in my apartment, and I'm just using that as like a little accent piece. Over here we have more accents of gold. So we have that little decor piece that was in my bedroom, the gold lamp, and then that is the leaves candle, and that table, side table, was also in my living room. What else? The wall here, we have this picture. If you recall, this was in my sunroom. My friend made that for me after we graduated. And then the two mirrors, which are from this store here called Southeastern Salvage. I found these two in a box of trophies that I had. I have been in love with Egypt since I was like a little girl, and I found both of those in the box. I got those from the King Tut exhibit when it was in Los Angeles, so I thought I'd just add those because they had gold in them. So I just really loved how the room came out. I just added one I really need to put two on it because it looks weird like that, but I just added one one, what is that, curtain to the wall, and yeah, that's it. Oh, down here we have the table that was also in my living room, and I put a little elephant. If you know me, I am the AKA that loves elephants. It did come distressed like this, so yeah. Say hi again, Nazir. So once again, another gold element. And then the carpet was the one I initially brought for the living room, but it was way too small. So yeah, that is the guest bedroom. Well, that is it for my nighttime, fall, and Halloween decor tour of my home. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Definitely be on the lookout for my bedroom tour coming very soon. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave those below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you all in my next video. Happy Halloween!